Hey guys, I'm Sayantani and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing again, but today's video is going to be a bit different because today's video is going to be an unboxing of a lifestyle box. I have previously unboxed so many beauty subscription boxes, jewelry boxes and all that, but this time I'm going to unbox a lifestyle box, and this is the first time that I'm unboxing a lifestyle box, so I'm really excited. So basically this lifestyle box right here which I have is from the house of Pandora. If you guys watch my channel, I'm sure that you must be aware of this name because I have previously unboxed a jewelry subscription box from them. And by the way guys, let me mention that House of Pandora is an online jewelry Instagram store. I will insert few pictures over here so that you guys can have an idea about their online store. Last time when I received their jewelry subscription box, I loved it because it was so good. It came for just rupees 299 and all the jewelry pieces were so good. I loved that box. So if you guys have not yet watched that unboxing, I will provide you guys with the link somewhere down in my description box, or you can click on the I button somewhere up wherever it is. So basically you can order these boxes online through Instagram, and if you don't have Instagram, you can order it via WhatsApp as well. I will provide you guys with all the other details down in my description box, so make sure you guys go and check out my description box. So the price of this box is rupees 777 and it has a free shipping. It has 8 products inside it. Let's start with the packaging. So this is how this box came. It came in with another packaging over this. So the first thing that I can see is this this has this sponge kind of material on it. So let me just open it, and once you open it, it comes with another gift wrapping as well. So this is how the box basically comes. It comes in a very sturdy plastic box which you can definitely use for storage. And let's see how the inside of it looks. Okay, there are so many tapes, and this is something really good. I really love the fact when any brand or anybody is taking so much care and wrapping something so nicely for you so that nothing gets damaged, nothing gets destroyed. So they have wrapped and packed it really well. So this is how the inside of the box looks. Now the first thing that I can see is a card right here which has all the product details, and one thing that I can't really see is the price of these individual products. Let me show you guys that once you take away the card and everything, this is how the inside of the box looks, and they have actually used eco-friendly packaging, and that makes me so happy because these kind of small efforts really make me super happy. So the first thing that is inside the box are 2 personalized jewelry. Now let me tell you that they are going to give you a lot of options, and they're also going to give you different combinations. Amongst all the combination that they had given me, I have selected a pair of earring and a neck piece. So the neck piece that they have, they had given me a lot of options, and amongst those I have selected this. As you can see, it has small flowers on it, and this one is so it looks so good. It's not too much, it's very lightweight. So this is so nice. I seriously love this jewelry piece, and I think this is really pretty. For the earrings, I went in with this pair of earring. Now I chose this one because I think the color of this is really unique, and I love the quality of this one. The quality is so good, guys, trust me, and this is so pretty. Just look at it. This looks really beautiful. Just look at this, and I think I'm gonna wear it right now. So this is how it looks, guys. I love the color of this, and I also love the detailing in this. And so the next product inside the box is a foot cream from Vaadi Herbals, and right now winters are just retiring, and this is the time when everybody's feet is in the worst condition, and I think we all need foot creams right now. So this one has clove oil and sandalwood in it, and it is going to remove dark patches, pigmentation marks, and it is going to disinfect your feet by killing bacteria and fungi. It also has cocoa butter and jojoba oil, which is going to deeply moisturize your feet, making them super soft. So I'm really looking forward to try this one, but let me just show you how the inside of it looks. Oh, it comes sealed, by the way. So this is the consistency of this. This is quite lightweight, and this is going to get absorbed into your skin quite well. Moving on to the next product. The next product in the box is a lip balm, and it is from Himalaya. Now I have previously used the Himalaya lip balm, and I really love it. And I have used it. I know it's a really good lip balm, so I definitely needed another one, and I'm so happy that it is included in this box. Next product in this box is a 25 tea bag set from Brooke Taj Mahal, and of course Brooke Taj Mahal is a good brand, and I think we all have had tea from Taj Mahal before, so we know how it is. So this is the normal one. Like right now they have so many flavoring tea and everything, so this is the normal one, and that's actually good because not everybody is into flavor teas and all that. Next thing that is inside this box is a peanut butter from Sundrop, and it is packed so well. Like, oops, I was almost about to hit my face with that. So I think I have to take off the packaging. Once I take it off, I'll be back. So here it is. This is how it looks. Now I've never really tried peanut butter from Sundrop before, but Sundrop definitely is a good brand, so I'm really looking forward to try this one out. The next product in the box is a toilet seat sanitizer, and this one is from U Spray. Now this is going to give you protection against germs, and it is going to remove any kind of foul odor. Now this one is a necessity, I think, like especially with these days with these toilet sanitizers. Like once they are out in the market, I think this is such a big necessity for everybody, like especially for people who have to go to public toilets. Like even if you are going to your office toilet, I think this is such a big necessity. All you have to do is just spray it on the toilet seat and it's going to be sanitized. You don't have to worry about it. You can also spray this on the flush handle or even the handle of the door. Like this is such a big necessity, and it's so good of them that they have included something like this in the box, and that's really great. The last thing that I can see in the box are hygiene wipes from Wash, which came in this beautiful envelope. So let me just take it out. Okay, so there are actually 5 pieces inside it. So this is how they look. Now I have never tried these hygiene wipes before. I have tried Wash and I really love it. So this one is an expert intimate hygiene wipe, which is going to maintain the pH of 3.5. This is for daily use, and since these are packed like this, I think this is really travel friendly. You can simply put this into your bag or your purse and it's going to fit there, and it's so much easy to carry and travel with this. This is again such an important thing to include in the box, and this is again a big necessity for every woman out there. So that completes our unboxing, and I'm so happy to receive a few products in this box which are such a big necessity, which are needed in my day-to-day life. And I think a lifestyle box must be something like that, you know, which has your day-to-day necessity products and, you know, things that you are going to need, you know, your daily life. So, and I really love their jewelries as well. So if you guys want to get their jewelries as well, you can go and check out their Instagram page and everything. I have mentioned everything in detail down in my description box, so make sure you guys go and check out my description box. You are going to find everything in detail down there. So yes, with that we come to the end of this video. Don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys again in my next video. Till then, take care.